Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use small agents, which is by Hugging Face. Hugging Face recently introduced small agents, a small library to build agents. As you guys know, that everybody talks about the agentic AIs and how the agent works, how AI helps to operate your entire system. For this video, I'm going to use Colab, which is provided by Google. So you just have to open Google Colab Notebook, and this is the interface of your notebook. Click on the right side panel and click on Change Runtime Type. So this is basically Hugging Face blog. This blog is basically shows all the details regarding small agents. In the bottom side, you have the table of content where we have what are agents, and then we have code agents. It shows a complete introduction that introducing small agents, that what it is and how it works. And the bottom side, we have code through which you can implement your own AI workflows. As per this code, it defines that a custom tool that gets travel time from Google Maps. And the bottom side, we have different type of responses. So that was the question. So this code defines a prompt where we have, can you give me a nice 1 day trip around Paris with a few location and the time? So it shows these are 12 points. So these are basically time with the locations. And in the bottom side, you have the graph where we have a benchmark graph, which define we have three simple benchmarks, including GAIA, GSM 8K, and simple QA. So these are basically sample type questions from different organizations. If you want to check the AI model responses, if you want to check that how much the model is efficient or not, you can use these sample questions, which is called benchmarks. So according to this model, QN 2.5 7B instruct, these are the responses of these benchmarks. So these are the responses from the models. Now, let me tell you that how you can deploy this thing and create your own agents. Go to your Google Colab notebook, and this is the Hugging Face documentation. This is another blog where you can see all the information related to small agents. Here we have a sample code in which we have different type of instructions, and in the bottom side we have some other codes. Now, first of all, because this is from Hugging Face, so I need to follow the instructions from Hugging Face and log in to that platform. You just need to type from Hugging Face Hub import login. Click on connect. It shows you connected. Now what you have to do is you just have to run this command to log in into Hugging Face platform. It is asking you the token. Where you can get this token, you just have to open Hugging Face. Go to your access token, and now what you have to do is you just have to create a new token. Here I have successfully logged into the Hugging Face platform. Now you need to import the library. Now as per this, it will install all the libraries. Now as you can see, I have successfully installed my library. Our next step is to call the important libraries from SmolAgents and Light LLM. And here as you can see, I have multiple questions here in which I have agent.run. My first question is, which number is greater 9.9 or 9.11? How many R's are in the word strawberry? Which number is greater 3.14 or pi? How many galaxies are there in the universe? So these are some sample questions. So let me ask that how this model will work with SmolAgents. Now press enter, and here as you can see it shows me all the answers. Now my first question was, which number is greater 9.9 or 9.11, and it is comparing with program. The final answer is 9.9, so that's why it shows me that 9.9 is greater. Okay, our next question is, how many R's are in the word strawberry. So it shows me that words, and it shows count 3, which is correct. Okay, our next question was which number is greater, 3.14 or pi? Here as you can see, it shows that some research, like it shows Wikipedia documentation. Then we have what is a pi, what is the value of pi in math. The final answer, which is uh, 3.14, which is true. Okay, for number of galaxies in the universe, it shows all the references. Like we have life science, then we have space, then we have 9 planets. So these are basically, it is trying to research. It gives me the final answer that the number of galaxies in the universe is 100 billion to 2 trillion. Then we have what is the capital of France? After searching, it shows me the answer is Paris. Okay. Then we have what is the largest planet in our solar system, and it shows me all the references. Then it shows me the final answer is Jupiter. Okay. And also you can see that it shows me that the duration, which is about 1.75 seconds. The input token is 5115, and the output token is 109. Okay, our next question was which mission was launched to explore the outer planets and study planetary atmosphere? And the final answer was Voyager, which is correct. Our next question was about the Voyager, the speed of Voyager, and it shows me that the Voyager 1, the speed, it is analyzing the answer, and it is giving me some references, and it shows me that the Voyager speed, which is about 38,000 miles per hour, 17 kilometers per second. Okay, my next question was current speed of Voyager 2, and it shows me that where are the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2? That was the question, and it shows me the different references. So let me check that what is the first reference, and from here it is mentioning that okay, it get the answer and give me the answer of Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 from here. So the final answer is 15.5 kilometer per second, which is correct. So guys, in this video you have learned that how you can use SmolAgents library and create your own agents. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will be joining you in the next video. Take care.